Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing good. We are going to do reading test. This is part 4 of test 2. This is for level B2 who want to achieve a level B2 for language cert. This is for those persons. We will read this passage here. Marine species under threat. There are fish and other things that live in the sea. They are in threat. Their lives are in danger. So we will read this passage and we will give answer to the short questions. We have 7 questions. Which 2 aspects of sea lives are giving concern? Which 2 aspects of sea life are giving concern? Giving concern means warning or something is problematic, that is giving you concern. So we will look at the answer here. First of all, read it. First of all, we need to read the instructions, read the text and answer the question. Use a maximum of 5 words for each question. We can use up to 5 words. So don't need to worry if you have longer answer, more than 3 words, you can write it. The great predators of the sea, tuna, swordfish, marlin, and others, could be on the way out. According to 2 Canadian researchers who have been surveying the fish catches from ocean areas across the globe, they warn that not only are numbers in decline, but also the variety of species in any one area. They have given the warning, the 2 Canadian researchers, that first warning is numbers in decline. The fish numbers are declining. The fish are becoming scarce, and also the variety of species in one area. And one area, for example, there is one kind of fish, we are unable to locate that fish. So the number of and the species of fish, these are the 2 concerns that we are having these days. These 2 surveyors, Canadian researchers, who are giving this warning to us. So we will write the answer here: numbers and species. Our next question is, where did the researcher make their finding public? Whatever they have found, whatever they researched, where they published it. So where did researcher make their findings public? Where? So we will locate the answer. The researchers which appeared recently in Science Quarterly, this is a magazine, Science Quarterly. So gives conservationists further reason to demand the creation of international marine parks which are protected so that fish population can be bred and recovered. They see no other solution. So our answer will be Science Quarterly. This is the name of the magazine. So the research which appeared recently, where research appeared, it will appear recently in Science Quarterly. So our answer will be Science Quarterly. You can write Science Quarterly or you can write published in magazine. Our next question is, Which fish was the initial focus of the Canadian previous research? Which fish has more danger to it? The research also showed that warm sea surface temperature makes some fishing grounds richer than others. Fishermen realize this and concentrate on those areas, therefore depleting the stock from a much larger area. Maurice Barker and the Robin uh, Butchams starting their 2003 research by considering one species only, and they showed that shark population in the North Atlantic had fallen by 90% in 15 years. They went on to investigate data from fisheries for the past 50 years to discover that catches were becoming less diverse. Our answer will be sharks population in the North Atlantic had fallen by 90%. The shark is in alarming situation because its population decreased by 90%. So our answer will be shark. Which fish was the initial focus of the Canadian previous research? The answer is shark. Okay, our next question is, by how much do researchers now say varieties of species have decreased? How much? By how much do researchers now say varieties of species have decreased? Varieties of species have decreased. We cannot write 90% because it was about the shark. We will investigate further. They went on to investigate data from fisheries for the past 50 years to discover that catches were becoming less diverse. When fishermen might once have caught 10 different species, they now haul in only half that number. Now they haul in. So they discovered 10 different species, and uh, where fishermen might once have caught 10 different species, they now haul in only half that number. Half that number means they decreased in 50%. They did not extinct, but they have decreased in number in 50%. So our answer will be 50%. Question 5. Which fish species has practically vanished? It's located fishing out a species, Dr. Beauchamp said, where you once had a range of species in dense numbers, now you might catch one or two of a certain species. However, for some species of commercial fish, it might already be too late. Cod catches are in the sharp decline, and the Atlantic halibut was virtually disappeared, and bluefin tuna catches were now strictly controlled. Now, which fish? Here are here is the information. Cod catches are in sharp decline. They are declining sharp. Cod catches, and the Atlantic halibut virtually disappeared. Halibut, Atlantic halibut, has virtually disappeared. They are completely disappeared, and bluefin tuna catches are now strictly controlled. Bluefin they have controlled, but halibut, Atlantic halibut, has been disappeared. They are no more. Which fish species have practically vanished? So halibut, Atlantic halibut. This fish has vanished. Our question 6 is, what period of time do the figures on catches cover? Question 6, what period of time do figure on catches cover? how many years they have spent, or how many years of data they have represented. The two men starting with analyzing the catches of fishing boats called the long linger, which have baited fishing lines up to 60 miles long. The data from these catches were matched with those from the records over the last half a century. Half a century means 50 years. So we can write half a century or 50 years. This record represents 50 years or half a century. So we will write 50 years. Our last question is, what is essential for the protection of the seas? What is essential? What is mandatory for the protection of the seas? So, this is the great joy of science. So, this is the great of joy of science, says Dr. Barker. It's like solving a giant puzzle and seeing the star-filled night sky for the first time, although the stars are actually fading. It's both beautiful and tragic at the same time. He stressed that it is vital to reach international agreement on monitoring the protected areas of the ocean. So, he is Dr. Barker said it is vital, it is important to reach the international agreement on monitoring the seas. For protection of the seas, we need to have international agreements. So all the countries should protect these species who live in water, so they cannot be wiped out from the earth. So it is vital for us to make an international agreement. So what is essential for protection of the seas? International agreement. So these are our 7 questions. We have found answers from this passage, and this was our part 4. I hope you have understood all the question and answer. Inshallah, in the next video we will do our third test and we will begin from the part first. I hope you have learned something from it. Inshallah, in the next video we will meet again. Allah Hafiz.